Hello everyone and welcome back to my channel. It's Jackie and I've got some journals to share with you today. Oh, excuse me, that will be going into the Etsy shop. The link will be in the description below. Before I actually start, and I'm going to do 3 separate videos because I've got 3 journals, but before I start I just want to very quickly speak about copper and where I am with that. I've watched a lot, read a lot, listened to a lot, and in the short term I'm leaving things as they are. I have put my channel to adult only videos. Sorry, my dog wants to get on my lap. I have put my channel on, come up here, sit down, on adult only, and I've taken out some of the wording on titles and things that I think could be deemed child attractive. Obviously it's those words that are the problem, and I've put my comment into the FTC. In my view, absolutely anything could be deemed child attractive, so we're in a bit of a no-win really, in my opinion. But I'm waiting to see how things go, and in the meantime I will continue to do some YouTube videos. I don't monetize. I use it to share my journals in case anybody wants to buy them and wants to see, to share and offer inspiration if anybody wants to take something from these journals. And I do like to put a few tutorials up, so not a big deal really. Whether I'm child attractive or not remains to be seen. I've got an Instagram account, and I have got a business, well, not business, but I have got a Facebook page, so I will put the links for those below as well. If you do like to follow me on those platforms, and we'll see how we go. So this is the first journal I'm sharing. I'm calling it Love. This is a fixed title. You won't be able to move this out. It's the dictionary definition. The journal is 6 inches by 8¼ . It has a 2-inch spine with a detachable tassel, and it's just tied with sari ribbon and lace that I've stitched together. It has 4 signatures, and there are a total of 176 sides in this journal, so I'm going to do a pretty quick flip through. This is vintage linen. I don't know if you can see Molly here, she's looking out the window, and now she's lying down. Hopefully she won't be in our way. And I've just made journal cards that I've backed onto either piano paper, tea-dyed paper, or card. There's some collages in here. I've used Tracy Fox's new labels with the nature quotes in, or nature definitions. They are absolutely brilliant, Tracy. They're fabulous. I love them. And here we go. Some detachable ephemera in here. Handmade tags. Some collage there. I've got some stenciling, some little bits of washi tape. I've tried to use some vintage ephemera. So this these are pages from a vintage Alice in Wonderland book in this doily. Got Edith Holden in the centre of each signature. This is just a little flip out, sort of Wendy style, I guess. We've got a little pocket tag here that I've made, and a little collage on this corner. It's vintage ledger. I've edged some of the pages, and there's a few charms. So it's the dragonfly. This is a pocket page with a large journaling card. There's a little bit of decoupage here and there. This is an antique papery paper, which I particularly like, and the colours go nicely with the fabric that I've used. I should have said it's fabric colour covered chipboard. This is just a little double-paged journaling card. This is a vintage letter from it's not the letter, it's just the envelope, 1954, and an old postcard which has a little bit of writing but no stamp. Oh, let's put her upside down. She's quite pretty little girl. Very loath to use words even like children at the moment, so trying to think geared to young adults or teenagers maybe, as well as mature women, which is mainly who watch my channel. This is just a little fabric flip. I just wanted to use a bit of the cover fabric in here. Some of those nature definitions. This is a flip out. This is inspired by Gibbed Neri. I don't have any specimens to put in my vellum and it's quite faint, but I've just put a little strip of lace between the vellum sheets there, just for a bit of interest. This is library cards. Flower charm. A little side tuck. I think I saw Carol from Oak House Journals did something like that. This is a floating pocket inspired by Patricia Viramontes. Got decoupage here and here. Probably would have been better to spread that out a bit, but it still looks very pretty. And these are pages from a 1920s or 30s edition of the Flower Fairies. On either side of this one. This is a little booklet. Let's take that out, show you. This is meant to be a short video, sorry about this. So it's just a little flip with a lace spine. Put that back in a minute. Another die cut there. A pretty Flower Fairy tag. And sort of I've tried to tone the colours on opposite corners there. It's piano paper. This is a belly band with a large tag journaling card. And another large card there with a little bit of lace attached to it. This is a page from a 1950s savings book here in the UK. And in the back of this one, I've got another of the vintage linen, another bit of that napkin as a pocket. This is scanned, an old receipt that I've scanned, but this one is original. See, it's not in great shape, but it's from 1777. I thought somebody might like that and be able to use that. So that's love. Thank you for watching, and I'll be back with the other two journals in the next two videos. Thank you.